This is Elizabeth. This is Patrick. Elizabeth likes to do things herself. Patrick doesn't. This is Jerry. He's a contractor, which is exactly what they need. If you're on the brink of a large home improvement project, a remodel, or a new build, you'll likely want to hire a general contractor. How about experience you can trust? We combine years of field, technical, and management experience in all aspects of the construction industry. We offer a wide range of services to update or enhance your home's look. We pride ourselves in giving the best in customer satisfaction. We will not stop until you're completely satisfied. Whatever you need, let us turn your vision into reality.